All right, brother. So this is going to be my late assignment for Enhancement 9. I'm just going to get started. We're in these right here. So since they're all basically the same page, I'm just going to validate the local HTML. And we're good, thankfully. And we're going to validate local CSS. Fortunately, we get two errors at line 46 and 47, and they are the prod display and prod detail list, which is an issue because I actually don't have those on my actual CSS. As you can see, you just want to compare and contrast. Yeah, I removed that, and for some reason, the W3 validator thinks it's still there, and I don't know why. It might just be lag between localhost and what's in the browser, but can't do anything about that right now, so I'm just going to leave it as is. All right. Yeah, so we have the thumbnail. I'll click on this real quick, and we have the actual image, and we have the details too, thankfully. Let's see. For other uploaded thumbnails, I just added one. It's this guy from the Lego movie. He's there. He's having a good time. So the thumbnails do work when I upload them. Doesn't look too pretty, but I'm trying to make it prettier for the final project. So there's that. Let me just validate. Same thing, as we were talking about before. And we'll just do the HTML. Okay, perfect. Then we gotta go to our localhost PHP myadmin. Okay, we're gonna go to our database, Acme. All right, inventory. All right. So as you can see, for each one, we do have an INV image and we do have the thumbnail. So that's all good. Yeah, I think we're good here, brother. Thanks for listening. Tune in the next time. Thanks. Bye.